Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram not opening problem. If you are opening Instagram application and it is not opening, so you don't need to worry, because in this video I will tell you the method. So first of all, go to the settings of your mobile phone and then search for apps. Now I am opening my all installed apps in my phone. Now search for Instagram, or manually search Instagram and then open it. After that, tap on storage option and here clear cache, and also tap on clear data, and then tap on permissions and allow all permissions here, like camera, contacts, microphone, and then restart your mobile phone and see. So this problem will be fixed. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.